be damned. I didn't think any of them made it to adulthood. But here's one. I set out 2 egg sacs for praying mantises, and I saw little babies for occasionally, but I had yet to see an adult. But finally I'm seeing one. Beautiful. I don't want to mess with it too much, but I want to get a good look at it. Look at you. They're one of the few insects that I know of that can turn their head like that. I was thinking that maybe the significant lizard population in our yard would take them all out. So that's probably why I didn't see any adults. But finally seeing one. They do this weird swaying behavior. I saw it in the juveniles, and this one's kind of doing it too. It almost looks like they're swaying in the wind. I'm gonna see what happens if I try to touch it. It doesn't like that. Alright, I'll leave you be. You do your thing.